thriving against the historical identity of Shaniwar Wada. And Lal Mahal is the epoch of modern development, the city of Pune. The city of Pune has come a long way from the days of the erstwhile Chhatrapati Shri Shivaji Maharaj. The city that embodies historical symbols in the past 10 years has become an IT hub and boasts of most recently acquired landmarks like Infosys, Tata Consultancy, Wipro and Tech Mahindra.
Pune today is attracting both pan-India and global attention in terms of investment, education, information technology, industry and many more. I see investments made in Pune both in terms of finance and manpower becoming more and more fruitful, and I foresee a 200% growth in the economy of Pune in the next 5 years.
The diaspora of the city has changed dramatically as the city has witnessed an ever-growing influx of students, IT professionals and foreign consultants not only from all parts of India but also from across the globe. MBOX as a project is conceptualized as a landmark to capitalize on this cascading development by a leading group of entrepreneurs under Forever Entertainment Private Limited, Pune. This sudden era of development has catalyzed the formation of various top-class residential areas, IT hubs and SEZs that have mushroomed in the suburbs around the city of Pune. The epicenter of all this development has emerged in Hinjewadi, the home to the now globally renowned Rajiv Gandhi Infotech and Biotech Park and Tatwade Educational Zone. This recent development has had a snowballing effect, cascading the development of various residential and commercial hubs in and around Hinjewadi.
For any city to progress or show extraordinary progress, basic things required are peace and stability. Plenty of water availability is one of the main strengths of Pune city. Law and order is of highest grade compared to any city in India.
Lately, a void is being felt by the local population for the lack of retail and entertainment industry.
We know this because we operate in many of these corporate houses, their canteens and their cafeterias. At MBOX, we look to fulfill this void by offering an international level of standards and services, not just for the food and beverage industry, but even in the entertainment industry.
In order to fill this void, Forever Entertainment Private Limited conceptualized the MBOX project as a complete entertainment, shopping and dining delight to be located near the Hinjewadi Chowk.
Another airport is coming at Chakan, which is 35 kilometers from Pune city, and from industrial Pimpri Chinchwad and Hinjewadi area, it will be about 15 to 20 kilometers. It is an international airport. Next to that is another airport coming near Bombay, which is Panvel. From there, Pune will be only 1 hour's run because there is an express highway.
5 kilometers from the Pune-Mumbai Expressway. Only 15 kilometers from the proposed Pune International Airport. And 15 kilometers from Subrata Roy Sahara Cricket Stadium. And almost 15 kilometers from the nearest Cineplex. MBOX is destined to be the center of attraction for the exclusive residents in a 10-kilometer radius, which includes approximately 1.5 lakh upcoming and existing residential flats with over 7 lakh residents, approximately 1,200 IT and biotech company, over 107 colleges and institutes, with over 1.5 lakh students and approximately 2 lakh daily visitors that visit Hinjewadi every day.
Finance, investment, new projects, and to absorb all of them and to take them further, potential is available. And I am sure if Pune is going to have its population almost double in coming 15 to 20 years. Today it is almost 5 million. It can go to 10 million. And any city which has a 10 million population it can be called a vibrant city, having all sorts of financial advantages.
It is also notable that the majority of the local population belongs to a higher income group.
At Mbox, me and my team have not only got the latest and greatest equipments in place, but also we have worked out on every minute detail of operations and maintenance. The location of Mbox has been ideally picked on a proposed 100 feet road, which is about 15 kilometers away from the proposed Pune International Airport.
Mbox is perceived by its promoters to be Pune's finest luxurious multiplex. Mbox would inculcate in its 2 lakh square feet area 6 well-designed, state-of-the-art auditoriums, acoustically designed with cutting-edge digital projection system and Dolby digital surround sound. 28,000 square feet of retail space, accommodating all the major brands on the lobby level. 10,000 square feet of multi-cuisine food court at the second level, a gaming zone, an art gallery cum exhibition center, a world-class convention center, and a rooftop specialty restaurant with a discotheque lounge powered with 4 levels of parking, catering to more than 200 cars and 300 two-wheelers with over 20 feet wide drive-in, avoiding any inconvenience or congestion. Mbox is being designed by internationally renowned architect Mr. Ajit Bhuta.
The strategic location of Mbox in close proximity to the proposed Pune International Airport and in the center of the IT and educational hub has been emphasized in the design of each component of Mbox, integrating technology, art and nature to project the collective Mbox experience. This would appeal to the diverse international clientele.
The exquisite rooftop of Mbox would be the highlight of the building. It shall bear a restaurant with a revolving deck in the center with mood lighting and a discotheque lounge. That would also house a microbrewery to pour out the finest indigenous beer and ales. The restaurant would have a breathtaking panoramic view of the entire city.
We are confident that our investment and cost will be recovered in first couple of years of operations. We will keep the momentum on by taking the concept pan-India within the next 5 years. We plan to have a chain of at least 50 screens in the next 5 years and then go global.
The city of Pune in general and the suburb of Hinjewadi in particular beholds themselves in the anticipation for the launch of Mbox, expected to assume operations in mid-2013. And it is an Mbox promise that it would keep on providing entertainment forever.